The architectural project shown in these images presents a compelling and cohesive vision for urban development, masterfully blending classical forms with a pragmatic, modern material palette. The buildings are defined by a sophisticated and highly textural facade, primarily composed of warm-toned brick and sleek, light gray steel panels. The traditional brickwork, with its rich hue and enduring quality, creates a sense of permanence and historical continuity. This is elegantly balanced by the cool, smooth surface of the light gray steel panels, which provide a contemporary, almost industrial aesthetic, and a sharp contrast to the brick's organic texture. This deliberate dialogue between materials gives the entire complex a unique and memorable identity. A key architectural feature, and perhaps the most distinctive element, is the dramatic inclusion of graceful arch rooflines and barrel vaults on the upper levels of the buildings. These elegant curved forms harken back to classical European architecture, adding a sense of grandeur and timelessness to the modern structures. The metal roofing that forms these vaults gleams under the sunlight, and in some areas is subtly integrated with solar panels. This fusion of historical form with cutting-edge sustainable technology underscores the project's dual commitment to honoring tradition while embracing the future. The development is meticulously centered around a large, landscaped courtyard, which serves as its very heart. This secure and tranquil space is a testament to the project's human-centered design philosophy. It is laid out with a precise, geometric pattern of manicured lawns and paved walkways, interspersed with carefully placed mature trees and benches. This meticulous arrangement not only provides a peaceful retreat from the surrounding city, but also functions as a vital communal hub, fostering a strong sense of community and encouraging social interaction. It is a secure oasis designed for a return to normalcy and everyday life. On the ground level, the buildings are designed for active, vibrant street life. Expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass storefronts reveal commercial spaces, suggesting a lively mix of cafes, shops, and other local businesses. This seamless integration of residential and commercial functions promotes a walkable, dynamic neighborhood and is crucial for re-establishing a robust local economy. The design's attention to detail extends to the residential units themselves, where large windows and open-plan layouts are used to maximize natural light and a sense of spaciousness. Each apartment includes a balcony, providing residents with their own private outdoor space. Ultimately, this project is a comprehensive architectural model for creating a sustainable, beautiful, and highly functional urban environment. It goes far beyond mere construction, prioritizing aesthetic harmony, community well-being, and environmental sustainability. It stands as a powerful statement that rebuilding can be an opportunity to create something better and more resilient than what was lost.